Hi, it's Ronnie, and welcome to Christmas in September. Yep, it's the 25th again, and I am going to do a scrapbook layout this month. I'm going to scrap that picture of my granddaughter, Charlie, and she's just so cute in it. That's why I held the picture up there so y'all could see. She has chocolate on her face. So my title's going to be sort of kind of about the chocolate that's on her face. She ate some of the batter. If you look at the cake and can tell by the cake, it hasn't been cut into or anything yet. Or, even a little chunk took out of it from a little hand reaching up there. But that one's her cake. And in the bowl next to it, you can see the little marshmallows. And there's other stuff that she used to decorate it. But this was a picture of her and the finished cake. But like I said, my title's going to be about the batter. And oh, my title's going to be long too. And so y'all know if it's going to be a long title, I want to make sure I've got room for it. So I am dividing the page, and my title's going to be on the right hand side. Since she's facing that direction, I put her on the left hand side. And yeah, that paper is Cartabella. Oh, I just love that collection. It is Santa's Workshop. And I bought two. Yeah, two of them because they're so cute. And I'm mounting my picture on cream color that matched the cardstock that's on the back of the page. But then I also did red, and I never seem to have enough red when I start scrapbooking Christmas. I don't know about you all, but it goes quickly. And so I used the red that I backed her picture with to do the die cut for the joy. And the joy came from We Are Memory Keepers. And it was a set of, well, they were card phrases from HSN. I think there were 6 in the set, and they're all huge like this. I mean, the one that says something about gnomes, Christmas or something, because this is called something with gnomes, collection of titles. It takes up the entire page of a page, the entire front of a 4x6 card. So that shows how big they are. And I ordered them for scrapbook pages. I didn't necessarily order them for cards, even though I've used them on cards. I was ordering them because I thought, man, those will do great on a scrapbook page. And they have. I've used them quite a few times over the past couple of years. Um, you see that little fawn laying there? I fussy cut him out probably 3 layouts ago. Well, I'm pretty sure it was like the first layout I made with this collection. And I don't have a super lot left on this package, knowing I've got a backup. But I cut him out, and he just seemed to kind of blend in with everything when I was trying to put him on the page. And I thought, I am going to use him this time. He's going to be like a focal point on this page, and I am going to use him because he is just so cute. And Charlie's little and tiny too, just like he is. So I thought it'd be really good to go on the page. And what's cute about it, he's facing the direction Charlie's in. So I thought it'd be really good to have him on the right hand side there. And when I laid him down, I seen that his ears went over the top just a little bit of that letter Y. And then I, of course, moved him down so his feet would be on something, and it didn't do it anymore. And y'all know how I like to nestle stuff in with other stuff. So I had to add the banners to give him something to stand on, to bring him up just a little bit higher so his head could nestle right in with the joy. I just love when everything can kind of connect. And so you can see how the title just comes on down right to Rudolph. And it is Rudolph. He does have a red nose. So yeah, it's Rudolph. Oh, and another reason I wanted to do this layout, I already had it in my head. I was going to make, with a border punch, the candy cane stripe going down the middle there, with a new punch that I got. Yeah, on HSN. I was watching. I told myself not to watch. I've gone months without watching. But then I watched and I seen this die, and it was a set of 4. And I don't know about y'all, have you ever ordered anything that come in a set and you only wanted it for one thing? Well, I wanted it for that border punch. I love to have candy canes on my scrapbook pages for Christmas. And it's a candy cane border punch. Well, it's just like that stripe going down there. Well, not just like it. It's a little fancier, I guess you'd say. It's got stripes of varying sizes. And I guess it's one of those things that takes practice. Well, I did it twice practicing because I know everything you get, you got to practice with. And I wasn't happy with it either time. And I knew I had this paper there because I already got the paper out. And I thought, I'm just going to use it to make it this time and practice first so that I can do a halfway decent job next time. You got to get it just right or it don't do good. And I did really good on the second one, except right at the end I messed up. And I love this punch though. Just so y'all know, I love that punch. So I will learn how to use it. Oh, and I got my title done on the right-hand side, well, not completely, because I haven't adhered anything down right there at the top. But I thought, I got to do something with the left-hand side. I can't just leave that big empty space there. I know. Some people can, but I can't. And I thought, what am I going to put there? And I remembered these tags that was over in the iris box that holds all the Christmas stuff. And so I ran got it, and yep, they're still there. I used a couple, but I knew I'd fussy cut a whole page out. And these were from like when I scrapbooked, gosh, it might have been the 12 days of Christmas I cut this out. No, yeah, because I got my stuff right before the 12 days was up. And so the last couple of days, I had plenty to scrapbook with because I got the stuff from the warehouse kit from Echo Park. And Jennifer Rellis sent me some awesome goodies too. And so I had plenty to scrapbook with. And I fussy cut this whole page out because I thought that'll look great on a scrapbook page. And look, I'm using a bunch right here. I wanted to layer the tags. And the one on the left, I cut, well, all of them, I cut the bottoms off because I didn't need the whole thing. Then they were just going to kind of hang down below the picture. But we took the bottom part of the green one with the stars and put it over on the right-hand side. I wanted to add a little bit of green over there because there's the candy cane and then the red tag. And it goes straight over into the title that has the red. So I need a little bit of green there. And look, I'm done with my layout. This Heidi Swap color shine is the last thing that I added. And look how quick that was. Well, quick compared to the last couple of layouts I did anyway. But yeah, see her face there? See the chocolate on her face? So cute, so cute. I love when kids have chocolate on their face. I don't want to tell them to wash it off, and I don't want to wash it off. I like to see them with chocolate on their face. But there's my title, and it says, One Child, a Bowl of Batter, Priceless Joy. Kind of, it's a play on that American Express credit card thing. I loved it when they did those commercials. I thought, what are they going to come up with next? But that makes great scrapbook titles too. But if you look down there below, you will see all the other gals that are doing Christmas in September. And you'll see if they are getting ahead for this year's Christmas coming up, or if they're like me and trying to catch up with all the pictures from Christmas past. But yeah, that's my layout. And if you leave a comment below, I'll get back with you. And if you like the video and hit a thumbs up, I'd appreciate it. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, I'd love to have you subscribe. And those of you already are, thank you so much. And thank you for the awesome comments that you leave. But have a happy scrappy week. Take care and stay safe. Bye.